Am I not praying enough? Am I not fasting enough? Am I not serving enough? May mali ba akong ginagawa? Hindi ba, am I not, dapat ba kapag nag-pray ka, luluhod ka? Kapag nag-worship ka, tataasan ka ng kamay? Ano ba dapat, Lord? Kapag seemingly silent ang Panginoon, tingin natin absent ang Panginoon, tingin natin neglected tayo ng Panginoon, we often see His lessons as punishments. Sometimes, in the middle of trials, sa kalagitnaan ng mga pagsubok natin sa buhay, nakakalimutan natin we've got all we need because Jesus is in the boat. They didn't have a lifeguard, but they had the Lord. So in that financial crisis, in that hospital room, in that pain, in that brokenness, God is with you. Yes, you will face storms in your life, but you will never sink if Jesus is in your boat. Hanggat kasama mo ang Diyos, you will get through this.